Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a Windows-supported account. Once you confirm that, begin immediately. First, press the Windows key, type Settings, and open Accounts. Make sure you're on the correct user profile because lock screen settings apply per account. Once in Accounts, head straight to Sign-in options to set a password or PIN if you don't have one. Without a sign-in method, you can't enable a secure lock screen. This gets you started and prevents interruptions while you change security options. Now configure the actual lock behavior. Under Sign-in options, choose Password or Windows Hello PIN. PIN is faster and device-specific, so it's safer. Then go to Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Lock Screen to pick a background and quick status apps. Next, open Power and Sleep settings and set Screen Timeout. Make sure Require Sign-in is set to when PC wakes from sleep. These steps ensure your Dell locks reliably on sleep or idle and shows the info you want on wake. Finish by testing. Press Windows plus L to lock immediately and confirm the sign-in prompt appears. If it does, you're done. If it doesn't lock, make sure Fast Startup is off and check Group Policy, GPedit. MSC or registry values for interactive logon timeout, these can override settings. Also update drivers and install Windows updates because display or sleep driver issues prevent locking. If problems persist, restart and retry. These checks resolve most Dell lock screen issues and restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.